Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to organize apps on your iPhone. Organizing your apps can make your home screen cleaner, easier to navigate, and help you quickly find the apps you use. To get started, go to your home screen and find the app that you want to move. Press and hold the app for a moment until a menu appears on the screen. From the menu, tap on Edit Home Screen. Once you do that, all of your apps will start wiggling, which means you're now in editing mode. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, press and hold the app you want to move, then drag it to a new position on the screen. You can move the app anywhere on the current page or drag it to the edge of the screen to move it to another home screen page. Simply hold the app near the edge until the next page appears, then place it wherever you like. You can also move multiple apps at the same time. To do this, start dragging one app with your finger. While still holding it, tap other apps with another finger, and they will be added to the stack. Once you've selected multiple apps, drag them together to another location or home screen page and release them. This can be a quick way to reorganize several apps at once. You can use the same method to move widgets around your home screen as well. When you're finished organizing your apps, tap Done in the top right corner or simply swipe up or tap on an empty area of the screen to exit editing mode. That's it. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.